Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a compass. So first of all, just go ahead and search for the compass, right? So I'm going to just type right here compass, and it's going to open up the compass app. So basically the compass app will just show you what's north and what's like east. You know, if you switch, if you moved your phone, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you gotta see right here if you moved your phone, something like that, right? So basically before you do anything, just go back to your screen and just make sure, if you went right here to our settings, scroll a little bit down till you find the compass, click on it, and basically toggle on the use true north, right? And that will show you accurate, like accurate measure, right? So basically, see right here, if you move your phone right or left, and basically it will measure the degrees and if it was north or east. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.